Part 1. Noah obey God. Number 1 question. Who God tell make he enter ark with him family? A. Moses. B. Noah. C. Abraham. D. Elijah. B. Noah. Na him God tell say make he enter the ark with him family. How many of each clean animal Noah carry enter ark? 7 pairs. B. 3 pairs. C. 1 pair. D. 5 pair. A. 7 pairs of clean animals na Noah take enter the ark. How many days notice God give before rain start? A. 10 days. B. 5 days. C. 7 days. D. 14 days. C. 7 days notice na God give before rain start to fall.